going to show you how to lock your Shopify store directly from your Shopify admin. Locking your store is a great way to keep it private while you're still building, testing products, or preparing a launch. Many new store owners overlook this feature, but it's one of the simplest ways to keep things professional while you work behind the scenes. To get started, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Online Store. This will open a list of additional settings related to your storefront. Next, click on Preferences. This page contains several options related to SEO, tracking, privacy, and of course, password protection. Once you're on the Preferences page, scroll all the way down until you find the section called Password Protection. This is where you can lock your store. To activate it, simply check the box that says Enable Password. The moment you enable this, your store will require visitors to enter a password before they can view anything. This means only people who have the password will be able to see your products, pages, or homepage. Right under the checkbox, you'll see a field labeled Password. Enter the password that you want your visitors to use. Make sure it's something simple enough for you to share, but secure enough that random people won't guess it. After that, you'll see another field labeled Message to Visitors. This is optional, but highly recommended. You can write a message like Coming Soon, Store Under Maintenance, or We're Working on Something New. This helps visitors understand why the store is locked and when they can expect access again. Once your password and message are set, scroll down and click the Save button to apply your settings. Shopify will instantly lock your store, and anyone who visits your site will see your custom message along with the password box. This is perfect if you're building your store privately or preparing for a launch date. Password protection is a simple but powerful feature. It helps you avoid showing an incomplete store, protects your brand image, and lets you work confidently without worrying about visitors seeing your unfinished pages. And when you're ready to go live, you can just return to the same section, uncheck the box, save your changes, and your store will open to the public instantly.